mama mo to, kakip na kagpe sa subatang.
Mama man. Si mama.
Itutuon mo ni mama, blasin niyo sa spot
Oo
ko.
eh. Kagal dito ito siya. Night walks with Toto Dong Lance. Night walk with him.
Low.
Yeah, it's already 12 in the
Hello,
midnight
guys.
or 1 maybe. Yeah. We came from 7-Eleven in Fortune Town. We've bought some foods because we're so hungry, you know. We're gonna do some movie marathon and we're gonna hang out
Hi,
until in
vlog.
the morning.
Welcome to my guys.
We're gonna hang out until the morning, guys. You know,
Yeah.
this is a single life era. You know, having a single life is so good, damn good, because you can do everything that you like to do. Yeah, well, we're currently roaming now on the streets of Fortune Town, the College City.
Night walk. Baka
Yeah.
253.
Yeah, we're doing some night walk until our home. It's been like how many miles? Maybe 100,000 miles away from home. Yeah, we're currently walking here on this sad streets. I mean, yeah, on this highway and doing some music, guys. What a good kind of evening it is. Or I mean morning. It's already morning because it's 1 in the morning already. We're still roaming around here.
Dito po
Yeah.
kami nakakita ng white lady, guys.
Yeah.
Nakasuot po siya.
Naka-short? Ang white lady.
Nakasuot ng naka-white dress.
Naka-white dress yung white lady.
Mm-mm.
Obvious naman siguro. Yeah, that's a street light. Yeah. There's the hospital. There it is.